WireGuard VPN server on MikroTik router, correct? So before going to forward, please I request you to please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, so let's start. So first we are going to the Winbox for open our MikroTik router and just click on our MikroTik router and connect. So now this is our MikroTik router. Now for configuring the WireGuard VPN server, we need to go to the WireGuard tab. So click on WireGuard. So this is a tab of WireGuard. So for creating the WireGuard, first we need to go to the WireGuard and click on plus icon. Then choose your name of your WireGuard interface. So I am just click on the WireGuard. So WireGuard guard 1 and tap it. The default port is 13331 and click on apply and OK. So once create the WireGuard interface, now go to the create the subnet for the particular VPN of this WireGuard. So now go to the IP tab and click on address. Then here is the multiple address list. So now click on the plus icon for creating a new subnet. For one subnet we have added here 172.16.16.1/24 and choose the interface which I have already created, WireGuard. So I'm click on WireGuard and apply and OK. Okay. So in first step we have created the WireGuard interface, then create the IP address subnet mask for the VPN. After that we have created the peer. So before creating the peer, we need to download WireGuard installer application for the Windows. So which is I have already downloaded. I'm go to the download tab and see this. I have already downloaded here and I have installed it this before. First showing you I have installed. Okay, so once you have created, once you have downloaded the Windows installer file, then you just click and install the application. So once application is installed, you got this prompt. This is a prompt which I have installed. So now creating the tunnel, we just go to the down arrow key here, tunnel, add tunnel and click add empty tunnel. Add empty tunnel, you got this template. So here we can edit the name just like WG1. Okay, then I'm copy this key and go to our Winbox and now go to the WireBox and create the peer. Now we need to create the peer. So just click on step 1 plus 1 and type it here name. You can type it name WZ1 VPN. Okay, then click the public key here like this and add the allowed address which we have configured the new range. You just add one IP address here .2 like this. Okay, and then click apply and OK. Once click and apply OK, just go to the again on the application window and I have pasted some command here just like a script or something. So you just pasted here. Private key we have already configured, so we have removed this. Now here we configure the address which I have configured on physical, the same address, typed it here the DNS 10.8.8.8 and here public key. So now let's go to the again on the Winbox and select the WireGuard and double click on the WireGuard. Then you can copy this key, public key. So just copied and pasted here. Okay, and the allowed IP you just type it here. Any rule any dot 0.0.0/0 means any network. Endpoint you need to type your Winbox public IP address, which is I have show you the public IP. So this is our public IP I'm copied here and pasted in the application. And we need to add port also. So we have configured 13231 the listen port. So the listen port I'll show you where I configure this one. So this is a listen port. So we have configured the same port with the colon. After that the colon, then the pre-sent keep alive 10. You just click on 10. That's it. This is some setting. I'll just show you on the. I will provide you this information in our description. Okay, so just save it. Save it is mandatory, so you just save it like this. Once you have saved this, just you can show the activate button. So I'm just show you the how to activate and it's working or not. So I'm just click on activate. Yeah, so this is the status is green, this is green, and we got the information. So this is showing the IP address is activated. So means WireGuard VPN client is activated. Now I'll show you this working or not. So I'm just click on CMD and go to the type it here ipconfig and enter. So see this, the same IP address we have showing here. So copied and try to ping the same IP address from the end user machine like this. So this is pinging. It means our end user machine connectivity is established with our WireGuard VPN server. Okay, so that's it in this video. Thank you for watching our video and please like, comment and subscribe for more video. Thank you. Jai Shri Shyam.